What's poppin', y'all? It's your girl Stacy, aka Sass, and I'm back with another video. Today's video is an unboxing video. Yes, honey. Unboxing, okay? Yeah. Y'all, I finally got my hands on the pair of boots I wanted for about 7-8 years, okay? And they discontinued them. They never came out with them again. It was not until recently I went back on the UGG's website because, as you know, we're going into the winter season now, and I was scrolling and I saw them. I couldn't believe it. I couldn't believe they brought these UGG boots back. So I am going to get into this. Woo! Show y'all how this looks like. Like, I cannot believe it, guys. I cannot believe when they came back with these boots. Like, I was in total shock. Hang on. Came in that big box and in that big box. Woo, it's here! Oh my god! I can't believe I got my hands on these damn boots. I cannot believe it, guys. Well, this is how big the box is. These are the over-the-knee Bailey button boots, okay? Over the knee, okay? I've been wanting these for 8 years. I finally got my hands on them. I'm so happy. Oh my god, let's see. These are the over-the-knee Bailey boots, okay? Over-the-knee Bailey boots. Oh my god, let's try them. Let's try them on. They got the buttons at the back. Can you still see that? Buttons. I don't got no socks on. Who cares? Oh, oops, there's something in there. Try them on. Oh my god! Look at them, y'all. Let's get the next one. Oh my god. They are beautiful. Can y'all see? Ooh! I love them. Can I unfold them? I think you can. Oh my god. Oh, you can wear them like this too? If you get cold. Okay. Look at this, guys. We're so happy. I'm so happy I got these boots. Totally worth the money. Totally worth every dollar. Okay. So these were about $400 and something plus tax. It came up to $500 and something. And then you get, actually, you know, when you spend a certain amount, they give you points. So I end up getting a $25 gift card to use at UGG's. Oh guys, I love her. Oh, I'm so happy. All right, y'all, that was my quick unboxing video. Nothing too big. Nothing too shabby. Okay, I got a size 8 because I wear a size 8 and they fit perfectly. Like I said, these boots, I haven't seen these boots in 8 years. I remember checking for like 3 years straight on the UGG's website for these boots and they never had them. They also come in the cognac color. This is not the only color they come in. They come in that cognac brown color, but my other UGG boots is actually the brown one, which is why I never got the over the knee Bailey and Brown, and plus black matches with everything. So I'm so happy I got these and got my hands on these. My birthday's coming up, so you know, I have to get myself something nice, honey. Alright guys, that is it. This is my unboxing video. I was unboxing the over the knee Bailey UGG boots that I finally got. Waited 8 years. Woo! Early birthday gift. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. And trust me, there is more unboxings coming because my birthday and the gifts are coming, honey. So stay tuned and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!